Okay, let's deal with linear inequalities today, the calculative aspect of linear inequalities. Here on the board we have 2x plus 1 less than or equal to x plus 5. We ask to solve for x and represent it graphically. Ask to solve for x and represent it graphically. So let's solve for x. The same way we solve equations, the items we use in solving equations are going to be applied in this problem, and the rules that we have used or we've discussed in the previous class will be applied in solving this problem. So we have 2x plus 1 less than or equal to x plus 5. I'm supposed to be solving for x, so I'll take x to this other part of the equation. I'll take x to this other part of the equation. So I'll need to subtract x from both sides to help me eliminate x at this other part of the equation. Or you simply say carry the x to this other part and it will become a negative x. So if I'm to subtract x from the both sides, we're having 2x minus x plus 1 less than or equal to x minus x plus 5. So x minus x is already out, which is 0. So here we have 2x minus x, we have x plus 1 less than or equal to 5. Now to make x to stand alone, I will need to take out this plus 1 to this other side. Remember, we've dealt with rules that have to do with adding c to both sides and the sign still remaining the same. So if I subtract 1 from both sides, the sign will not change, but the 1 will be eliminated at this other part of the equation. So we have x plus 1 minus 1 less than or equal to 5 minus 1. So we have plus 1 minus 1 is already out, that is 0. So we have x is less than or equal to 4, because 5 take away 1 is 4. So our final result or answer is x less than or equal to 4. And this is an example of inclusive inequality. This is an example of inclusive inequality. So you draw your line, you present that on your line, you have draw your line, put your center or origin 1, 2, 3, and 4. I give us two methods or two type of graphs you can use in our discourse of this topic. It's how you put your arrow on this line and put your circle here. Since it's inclusive, it will be shaded and just improve the thickness of the line at this part where the arrow is showing. Since it's less than, it will be going backward. Less than will be taking you backward. So you improve the backward line of your graph. Or you draw a line, put your 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put your circle on the 4. Shade it because it is inclusive. Then just put your arrow on 8 that shows the backward direction. So this is how you present this particular linear inequality graphically. Should you have to do that in any of your exams that you're writing, it's simple. The way you solve your simple equations, the methods applied or the ideas used in solving simple equation, that's what you apply. But the difference is that you're not only dealing with equality sign, but you have less than or greater than or equal to signs to deal with, not just directly equality sign. So the final answer is just this graph or this graph where x is less than or equal to 4. So we're going to solve other problems in our next other class. Thank you.